Hello, you're on the lake with Tommy Robinson, and this morning I'd like to talk to you about my favorite setups and my favorite springtime lures. This video is in collaborations with my good friends at PartsVu. So let's get started. Here I have Abu Garcia Revo STX. This is an 8-to-1 ratio. Paired up with a Abu Garcia Velocity Rod, and I have it rigged up with one of the better springtime lures for me, and I also use it year-round. But for the spawn and pre-spawn, it is a 1.5 crankbait. It's a shallow running crankbait, and I can hit all the points and cuts, rocks, and in between stumps with this. This is one of my favorite lures, especially in the spring, but all year long. Secondly, I have another Revo STX 8-to-1. It's rigged on a Abu Garcia Velocity Rod. And this is what I use to flip in the bushes and also along stumps. I like the high-speed reel because I can get the bass up and out of the water quickly. My last setup is a 6 3-to-1 Revo S on a Abu Garcia Villain Rod. All these reels are Abu Garcia. This is a S, and I have this paired up with one of the lures I use anytime I'm around weeds. And that's the Thorax Bladed Jig. I'm down south in stained water. This black and blue is a pretty good color. But this bladed jig is excellent bait to use in weeds in early spring. A couple other baits I have here. You can't fish in the spring almost anywhere without a lizard. This happens to be a Zoom lizard. Lizards are just great lures to use during bedding season. Also, on cloudy days such as what we have here, I guess you see I have my bio sunglasses on. This is a Thornado by Thorax Jigs. It's a buzz bait with a frog toad on there, but it also have a little blade at the bottom to mimic bait fish. A buzz bait is an excellent lure to use topwater. Last but not least, we have a swim jig. This one is in the bluegill color. I like to throw it around stumps, shallow grass, and it mimics a bluegill. So these are some of the favorite lures I like to use in the springtime. I hope this will help you the next time you go fishing during bedding season. And if you like this video, please subscribe to PartsVu.com and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for visiting with us today.